Hi friends. So last video we discussed what is preposition, what is a connectives, what are the connectives and the truth tables for the connectives. In this video we are going to discuss what is tautology, contradiction and contingency. So just I want to recollect what we discussed in the previous videos. What do you mean by preposition and statement? So any sentence which is having either true or false, not both, is known as a statement or preposition, right? So if any two prepositions are there, if any two statements are there, if there is any phrase or word which is used to link those two statements is known as the connectives. We used and, or, if and only if. So respectively conjunction, disjunction, implies and by implies. And also we discussed what are the truth tables for those things, right? So in this video, tautology, what do you mean by tautology? So tautology is nothing but, so if any compound statement, which is true, which is always true, is known as the tautology. For example, so if you take P is any statement, P or negation of P. So if you take P or negation of P, so if you write the truth table for the compound statement, P or negation of P is always true. Therefore, P or negation of P, this compound statement, compound preposition is tautology. This compound preposition is a tautology. Similarly, contradiction. So contradiction is nothing but, so if the compound preposition which is always false, is known as contradiction, right? So example for this one. Is just write the truth table for P and negation of P. So if you write the truth table for the P and negation of P, then so observe here the compound statement is always false. The compound statement is always false. Therefore, the compound statement is known as the contradiction. So if the compound statement is always false for true, is known as tautology. If it is false, then the compound statement is known as the contradiction. Contingency. So contingency means if the compound preposition or compound statement which is sometimes true or sometimes false is known as contingency, right? So if you take an example of the compound statement P and Q, P and Q are two statements. Just write the truth table for P and Q. So if you write the truth table for P and Q, so the truth table P and Q is true only if P and Q both are true. Otherwise, always it is false. So if you write the truth table for this one, some are true, some are false. Therefore, the compound statement is nothing but the contingency, right? Satisfiability. What do you mean by satisfiability? So if the truth table contains at least one truth value as true, then the compound statement is known as the satisfiability. Again, the same example for this one, P and Q. So if you observe P and Q, at least one, the truth table is contains at least one truth value as true. Therefore, the compound statement is known as satisfiability. Unsatisfiability. So unsatisfiability means not even single true. So not even single true in a truth table is nothing but the unsatisfiability. And this one is same as contradiction only. Right? So valid. What do you mean by valid? If the compound statement is a tautology, then the compound statement is known as the valid statement. Otherwise, it is invalid statement. Right? So if any compound statement, is given, how to check whether it is tautology or contradiction or contingency? Just simple, just write down the truth table for those compound statements. If it is always true, the compound statement is always true, then it is nothing but the tautology. If it is always false, then the compound statement is known as contradiction. Sometimes true and sometimes false, then the compound statement is known as contingency. So always true means it is satisfiable as well as the valid. So contradiction means unsatisfiable as well as invalid. Contingency means satisfiable as well as invalid. So let's suppose, just I want to check whether the given compound statement is tautology or not. So just now I explained you, just write down the truth table for this compound statement, write down the truth table for this compound statement, then check whether the truth table is true, that compound statement is having all truth values as true, then that compound statement is known as the tautology. So P implies Q. Just write down what is P, truth table for the P implies Q. How many statements are there here? 2 statements. So we need 4, 2 square, 4 truth values. So P and Q are, first just write down what are the truth values for P and what are the truth values for Q. Then P implies Q. So one part we'll get here. One part P implies Q. So already you know what is the truth table for P implies Q. P implies Q. P implies Q is always true except when P is true and Q is false. Right? Similarly, negation of P, negation of Q. Just write down negation of P, negation of Q, and negation of Q implies negation of P. Again, this is implication only. Same truth values for the implication. Then this implies this. This implies this. So always true. Why? Because implication is false only in case of first one is true and the second one is false. Only except in this one, always it is true. So true. So the compound statement which is having all truth table is having truth. Therefore, this compound statement is tautology. Right? Thank you.